Okay guys, welcome back. Today we have these brand new bulbs from Bosch, Germany. They are ultra whites. They claim to be 4200K. See what else they say on the back here. Xenon look. What does that mean? Could mean anything. I always love reviewing these xenon look bulbs or whiter bulbs because they always have these absurd claims on them, but this one says xenon look 30% brighter than regular bulbs, or 30% greater light output. Made in Hungary. Yeah, let's open it up and take a look. Here's the bulb. So a little bit of blue on the top here. Seems like it covers half the filament. And yeah, so the bottom here it says made in Hungary. Here, then Bosch 4200K. Now let's see if these are actually 4200K in color.